If you're running a factory in the Middle East, Africa, or Southeast Asia, you know the deal. Electricity is expensive, the grid is shaky, and a sudden power cut can kill your production instantly, especially in high-stakes industries like steel manufacturing. That's why we delivered this customized outdoor storage project for a steel company. It's designed to work with an off-grid solar plant to keep industrial operations running smoothly. We've installed 6 units here, each rated at 100 kilowatts and 261 kilowatt hours, giving us a total capacity of 1,567 kilowatt hours. Each industrial-grade cabinet is a powerhouse. It packs a 100 kilowatts PCS, 360 kilowatts MPPT modules, a high-voltage box, and our own intelligent EMS to manage everything. It's built tough for the most demanding outdoor environments. The logic is simple. During the day, solar power runs the factory directly. Any extra energy goes straight into the batteries. When solar generation drops off, the system automatically kicks in to support production completely independent of the grid. The result is zero wasted solar stable power output and a massive drop in operating costs. For factories facing high tariffs, this is how you secure your production and your profits.